Hey y'all, it's Georgie from GSD Solutions here, and in this video I'll be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to use Streamyard background templates. So first up, you want to go ahead and click Use Template for a New Design. So that will then create the template, create a copy of the template for you on your Canva account. Once you're inside of your Canva account, what you're going to do is go to the type of template that you want to create. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and create a main stage background. Just to keep the lines, I usually make a duplicate first. So I have a fresh page that I could, mess up and do whatever I want with. So for this background, what I want to do is include maybe some of our client logos. So let's look up some logos. So you would obviously, upload your client logos. So I'm going to go ahead and put our client logos in the top area. So let's just pretend these are some logos from our different clients and partners. And what I'm making sure to do is keep everything above this line. So that way it ensures that it actually shows up inside of the stream, because if it's not above this line, it's gonna be cut off, right? You wanna actually make sure that it's shown on the stream, right? We have our partners and we wanna make sure that we give them support. So these are all of our pretend sponsors. Then down here in the bottom area, I'm gonna write, the cool title. Let's actually make up a cool title. And we want a marble background. And you could either cover the lines or you can position this, send to the back, and then just remove the lines once you have something else that, identifies where they start and end. So what we'll go ahead and do at this point is we're going to go ahead and share and download that one specific page. So this is page 4. So you can download it as a PNG or a JPEG, up to you. I like to do JPEG. Select only that page, page 4, download. So this, what we just created, is a background. So when you're going inside of inside of StreamYard, right? We get back to StreamYard and you're going to upload this. We're going to upload it as a background. So we're going to go ahead and add background, drag and drop this over, click to upload. Takes a second and you can feel free to rename it, but now we've activated our background. And the reason why you can't see it is because of the layout selected. So if I was to select a different layout, specifically one of these custom ones that I've created down here, it shrinks me a bit smaller. So now I'm in the middle of the frame. I could you guys can see the background. You all can see the title below. I can see the sponsors. And if we were to full screen it, this is the view that attendees would be seeing. So they see everything in a robust way. If I don't like how the title looks, right? If I would want to change the color of the brand, I could definitely do that here. I could change the block. So there's a lot, or I could just hide the headline altogether. So it's just like I'm right here. So let's create another one. Let's create an overlay really quickly. So instead of using the Canva include overlay, I wanted to create a custom overlay for my speaker to include their name. So we're going to come back here and we want it to match this template a bit. So we're going to go ahead, go to the overlay template again, duplicate that as well. I like this background, so I'm just going to go ahead and copy. So the overlay, the thing about it, right? Do not include any graphics in the white area. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make the marble that I had on the other graphic actually up at the top here. So I'm going to line it up, position, send it to the back, because I then want to delete this black piece that says top area. And I also want to actually use this marble down here. So I just made a copy of it. So I'm going to, again, line it up with my frame. So I'm going to just make it, to make this faster, I could then send to the back as well. So I could see where it needs to be shrunk down to. And then now I click the black one and I could delete that. I want to move the text over. This time I want to add my name. So let's format that a little bit. Nothing too crazy. So that way it just has my overlay, and I actually want the box to be on this side. And I'm going to actually copy the title of the session that I had here, and I'm going to put it up top this time. So I can make it a little bit bigger just to flow smoother and look a little bit better. So here we go. And I'm going to just delete this. And when I'm exporting it, the key thing here is when you're exporting this one, so we're on page 5, you want to download it. This one, you do want to ensure it's a PNG, hit transparent background, and again, download that specific page. So that's downloading. We're going to head on over back to Streamyard. I'm going to go ahead and select overlay. So up here, I'm going to add an overlay. So now that overlay is uploading. And I select it, and now it's behind me. And what we could do here actually is I could hide the background, and I could actually make my image larger. So now you see how I fit within the frame. So let me move this little one over. So if you see how I fit within the frame, right, they can see my name. I have my little lower thirds right here, the title up at the top, and it looks super clean. So this is how you would use the templates, and I hope you found this video helpful. Again, go ahead and download those templates for when you're creating your StreamYard overlays and backgrounds. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any suggestions of things that you want to see, let us know in the comments. And if you are like, I do not want to make any of those templates or overlays, I am not a graphic designer, we have a team of design experts that create StreamYard videos, backgrounds, overlays, and additional tools and graphics that you might need for your virtual events and your live streaming. So go ahead and head on over to gsdsolutionsinc.com and we can schedule a consultation together so that way we can produce these things for you. So looking forward to you reaching out to us. I hope this tutorial is helpful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.